Voilà, les amis, bienvenue sur notre chaîne French Education GH. French Education GH, where French learning is a hobby, not a school subject. Na ene eden ena yɛba bɛsua ɛwɔ ha. Ene yɛba bɛsua French accent. Na saa lesson wei ɛda makoma so paa sɛ mɛyɛ research afa French accent ho na mɛde ama madɔfo ɔmo nyinaa. Ade nti a ɛfiri sɛ me student bebree a me no ɔmo sua de fie ne class ɛna ɔmo ebisa me sɛ ade nti na French words ne bi wɔ hɔ accent ɛda soro ebi da fam ebi ayɛ te sɛ kyɛ ebi kura mpo ayɛ te sɛ 5 ɛkora ɛda si ase ne nea ɛkeka ho nti ansa na yɛbɛ start French accent esua ɛho asɛm sɛ na yɛka wɔ previous lesson no ɛnɛ ɛpɛ sɛ yɛhu ne nti a French for use accent anaasɛ ɔmo de to ɔmo words anaa letters ɛso ɛno ɛwɔ ha ɛno nti sɛ wɔkan French words anaasɛ book bi na sɛ wohu sɛ words no accent wɔ so a ɛnyɛ sɛ ɛde ato so kɛkɛ but near extra say is to be more specific or to identify some words anchor. It can be pronounced or spelled the same way. And in accent into both say bro you best start a suya accent no wasem no. Ubehu sa differences ni na ewo. Say it me boa emma you pronounce some words in a different way or different from other ways. Accent in French serve for various purposes. Inti yentua so na fe yehu other areas the historical reason inti asa accent yehu and French words and also. And nti say about historical reasons for French accent and also need kind of you say French nakasa origins if in Latin. Nti na Latin also a language be na Roman Empire in those days omo na ayomo language omo ka. Afe say eye no so fi ho so you say French for ankasa no e borrow so many words from different languages such as Greek, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, even in English. Now, I'm gonna borrow some words if you have. So, accents were often introduced to indicate these pronunciation changes. Yes, and because those words were borrowed and some from Latin, it's almost use accent, a bit different from those words are na ewo ho. Enti say yebeka French akasa no is a mix of languages. Yes, mix of various languages. No enti omo the accent no enso so etoto so to differentiate from other words. If in Latin or even the one that they borrowed from other languages. No enti an accent no ewo ho. Afe question baako a ene ye ba besua ehu ebi a onhyada ehu ya na say ebi a wate ho asem ene say do people in France have same French accent? In the previous lessons the kind say we have other countries omo different accents. They say Canada and Belgium, even Africa countries quite can French. They say be Ivory Coast. Miyakasa mi fi baye. Ivory Coast, Mali, Togo, Burkina, and then yakika kahuina yen accent is different. even though Obia can yete asye, but different. But we there ye can of French as a country nankasa kasamo and a yeko. So people there, do they also speak or have different French accent? Until like other countries, there are many different accents depending on the region that you come from. In France, yes. Until regions of France ho enyina no bebre na no eka French, but accent so different from other regions. And until yebetumi aka say enye obi a ofu France and the same French accent. Depending on regions, different. And these differences are easily seen in their pronunciation, intonation, and then also vocabulary. Afe, yankoshe 3 examples. Ebebayen ema yehu accent different kind of France. You have so many of them because regions also does. But here you just want to concentrate on 3 regions. And you need the kind of Parisian accent and now say accent Parisien. And you say Udu France accent Parisien and is considered as the standard accent because oko bibi to say media in education more and French yeka. Nti ebia uyobia wotashe France 24 and say France 24. Yes, French that yeka no accent Parisien. Sarah so now call educational sector enso so a classroom no so no bebre na accent Parisien. Even yemo krampo o Africa hat say me amfa Africa so krampo by no accent accent Parisien. Nti according to omotre say sa accent Parisien no clear pronunciation oka opiare to metiase and is even commonly taught to learners of French, and then also is also used in a formal way. Afe back other regions, it says southern regions of France and northern regions of France conflict kakra omumu nti Paris accent in there who say and the standard accent nti no be any, but about for 2 regions we more southern and northern na conflict kakra abamu into be a share nyina try to let the other person know say Debbie me and I make a French accent papa. Debbie also make a French accent papa. So because of that, I had the conflict kakrabi aba. It me as for example, one of dialect you can Français fancy. And it is saying I would do takra the tardia. Tardia for say there one fantino or na oya papa. One of our fancy though. Educatives so I keep say there be young chef fantino and oya though and your papa. So these are small differences, and also I was hardened part of French and I'm facing the northern south. As a result of that, another word is being used in France. Your friends say glottophobia, la glottophobie. Now, in glottophobia, simply a linguistic discrimination. Yes. So because of some conflict now, also obia a person or said there be on an accent. As a result of that, sa word way until later you can find out for your personal research what is glottophobia in France. So as a result of that, some lawmakers or MPs are trying to fight against linguistic discrimination France. And when to me, I can say it is important to know that not all French words have accent, and the type of accent and each purpose can vary. So, So some accents are more common than others. In some cases, accents are optional or might not be used at all in formal writing. Yes. And to France, yes, accent in the and then you see our school and more and had to France, so accent and especially in their formal settings, among you so Ghana Education Service, GES, and so betumi ayɛ research na nka ɔmo accent ahorow a sisi ya no yɛnyu so na ɔmo tumi de update yɛn curriculum ne books ahorow a ɔmo twerɛ na etumi aboa student ama ɔmo etumi esua French no easily. Nti meda mo ase bebree ɛwɔ French a ɛnɛ yɛsua ɛno ho. Nti patro bɔ mmɔden na share, like it and share, and also you can comment and then bring your ideas as well. Na afei sɛ wo nua bi a ɔkɔ school a bɔ mmɔden na ma no subscribe na yɛba bɛsua nneɛma bebree a ɛbɛboa yɛn ama yɛntumi improve yɛn French ɛwɔ Ghana